What's up guys, this is DF Test Channel. Today I'm unboxing the Mpow earphone. It's sports headphone. My friend recommend this earphone. It's worth to buy. It's built with mic using calls and waterproof IPX6. Box similar top side. It's support Android, iOS and PC. Let's find out. Inside one more box here. Box front red color Mpow logo here. Okay, let's open the box. What is that? Inside one pouch here. Looking good. Put side. More inside. Warning letter here. More inside. Booklets. It's how to use and work. Power use and how to call, all information here. Okay, where is headphone guys? Yeah. Let's look the pouch. Quality really nice. Okay, don't waste your time. Let's open the pouch. Inside look guys, two side here. Okay, first look heat earphone. Earphone looking nice and handling feeling also super. My friend told me that is right. Really impress me. Headphone quality always nice. Okay, put side. More inside free ear pads here. 2 par ear pads here. Also more mini cover here inside, also 2 par ear pads here. Last USB cable here. It's micro USB cable. Yeah, cool. Guys, do you want to buy this earphone? Link in description box. Really cool earphone. I'm using 2 off button. It's volume plus and minus key. Long wire, so no problem to use. Let's find out how connect with your phone. Long press the power button, it's power on. Color light pulling blur and red. Then open your phone Bluetooth setting. Turn on not. Then you show Mpow name, just tap. Your earphone is connect. Let's find out the sound quality. I'm using this earphone 3 weeks, it's breathy cool. It's good or bad? Watch now guys. And your opinion comment in comment section.
Try